Windows desktop looks boring, you can completely transform it like this. First, open any browser, search for Rainmeter, open website and download it. Now open it, press next and install, then finish. Now again search visual skins, open the website and this is the mood, open it and download it. Now open it and then install, and now unload skin, and in recycle bin also unload skin. And now here is Rainmeter. And now open your Microsoft Store and search TranslucentTB and then install and open it. And press Translucent B, go to desktop and then press clear. For the wallpaper, again go to Microsoft Store and search Lively Wallpaper, and install and then open it. After you install, you don't have good wallpapers, you only have wallpapers like this. And if you want wallpapers like this or like this, then open any browser, search for live wallpaper, open the website motion bgs. Now you can download any of them like this, and now press HD wallpaper download and drag it to lively wallpaper and just paste and press OK. This is how you can make your desktop more beautiful and more better in looking. This is how you can make your PC look like this, to this. And thanks for watching. Subscribe.